cumin yogurt casserole, or cumin winter melon yogurt bowl, or Jerra Raita, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the ashwood curry recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the ashwood recipes, and one of the most delicious of the winter melon recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the cumin recipes, and one of the most delicious of the cumin seed recipes. We're going to make cumin winter melon yogurt casserole. We have taken 2 spoons of cumin seeds, around 2 to 3 sprigs of curry leaves, 15 to 20 shallots, around 8 to 10 garlic cloves, and 15 grams of ginger, and around 100 to 150 grams of winter melon cut into pieces. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Clarified. You can saute. Garlic sauteings. Put in the garlic piece. Sauce the garlic piece. ginger, put in salt taste, salt, salt thoroughly, keep on salting. Thoroughly saute mix. Put in the cumin seeds, salt, put in the individual pieces, put in some curry leaves, salt and mix thoroughly, keep on stirring, salt and let the mixture cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder and a spoon of chili powder, salt, thoroughly saute mix. Keep on sauteing. 5 to 10 minutes of sauteing. Put it in low flame. Pour in all ingredients. Together. Mix. And let this mixture cook for a minute. Cumin winter melon yogurt casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final cumin winter melon yogurt casserole or Jerra Raita or cumin winter melon yogurt bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the Raita recipes and one of the most different of the winter melon recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the ashwood curry recipes and one of the most delicious of the Raita recipes. Like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.